Hey everyone, welcome back to the mini course. In this video, we're going to be talking about secret number 3, fire. So fire represents our awareness and our concentration. So when we're meditating, we want to be aware, we want to be focused, we want to be present in the moment. So what we're thinking about during meditation, that's going to keep out all the other thoughts. So this represents our focal point. So we want one focal point. In meditation, they say that one thought with focus replaces all the 10,000 other thoughts. So in our normal day-to-day life, we have thoughts coming in. And generally, we don't even notice them. They kind of come in, stay for a bit, and then they leave without our awareness really being present. So having the one focal point of awareness, it's one thought, but it's a thought turbocharged with concentration. So it's like shining a flashlight. That light is pointing on one object. Instead of it going back and forth all over the place, we want it just to stay in one spot, focused, concentrated, and that light gets brighter and brighter and brighter as we keep our attention poised on that one thought. So this one thought is going to be our only thought. The one thought replaces 10,000 thoughts. One thought stops all the other thoughts. When you do have a thought, just come back to your one point of focal concentration. Smile, be happy, don't be upset with yourself. Be easy, gentle, and free. So I want to talk about the 3 focal points that I found to be the most effective and most easily utilizable for most people. So we have 3 focal points we can practice. The first one is the breath. Just focusing on the breath. Inhale and exhale. Focusing on the breath is probably the most natural, the easiest, because when you are breathing, we can't stop the breathing process. So the best thing we can do is to be aware of it, being aware of the breath. It makes it easy to combine the action of breath with the awareness of being breathing. So this is the most natural. This is what most people generally do. You can feel your chest expanding. It's very easy to stick to the breath, and that can be your one thought. So our second focal point, you can focus here on the heart center. So as you breathe, you just feel it coming in and going out. You can feel the chest expanding. So keep your awareness focused here on this radius here of where the heart is. You can feel your heart beating. Just keep that awareness, shrink it down into the chest center here. And the final focal point I want to talk about is just here between the eyebrows. So that's the third eye point. Focusing here is incredibly easy. It'll take you really deep into meditation. So just like with the heart center, we shrink our awareness here to the third eye center. Just keep it within that one point of awareness. Keep the light going in. It's the light of your awareness and your concentration. Instead of going to the external world, it's just focused within going in. This recharges the body. This disperses the thoughts. This is the power of fire's awareness, the power of concentration, returning the light and returning the observation within. Meditation is the act of observing stillness within ourselves. So pick one of these 3. Practice with all 3 of them. See what feels most easy, natural, and comfortable to you. Once you do find the one that resonates most deeply with you, stick to one focal point. This will develop incredible powers of concentration within you. Always keep coming back to your focal point of concentration. If your mind wanders away, you think about what you're going to have for lunch, what you're going to do later in the day. Just smile, observe that, and let that thought go. Come back to your concentration point. Return to the breath. Return to the heart. Return to the third eye. This is the power of fire being combined with air. So we're breathing and we're being focused on a concentration point. Fire and the air fanning together. We use the breath to fan up the flames of concentration. This returns the light and the power of awareness back within inside you. So the power of fire combined with air, breath and thoughts, the power of intention, concentration, awareness, and breathing. It's a wonderful, magical, marvelous secret. So fire and air work together to create this wonderful energy that's going to be returning to the body. Focus on your concentration now. Breathe. Be at peace. Be relaxed. Be calm. This is secret number 3, fire, awareness, and concentration. Focal point meditation. Replace all your thoughts now. Get rid of the thoughts. Observe the illumination within. Go inside yourself. Breathe. Be relaxed. And be free. Okay, third secret, fire awareness. Drop a post in the school community if you have any questions, if you want to explore other focal point concentrations. Let me know what works best for you. Let me know how you develop with this technique, and I want to hear back from you. Let's get all your questions answered. Drop it in the school community. Sending you all the love and the light. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, coming up next, we're going to explore the water element. Let's get you another secret to meditation. You're well on your way to being a meditation master. Thanks for enjoying this video with me. Have a beautiful, blessed, sacred, divine day, and I'll see you on the next video. Sending you all the love and light. All right, take care.